What if I told you that this dull, lifeless backyard became a place that feels like a luxury resort without buying a bigger house? Just a few weeks ago, this space was nothing but patchy grass, old furniture, and a forgotten corner nobody wanted to use. Every time we looked outside, it felt like wasted potential, so we decided to change everything. First, we cleaned out years of clutter and created a fresh layout. Then, we added rich green landscaping, colorful flowers, and natural stone pathways that instantly made the yard feel alive. Next came the real transformation, a cozy outdoor lounge with comfortable seating and warm string lights, and a modern fire pit that became the perfect gathering spot after sunset. We also built a beautiful wooden pergola, added a relaxing water feature, and surrounded the space with lush plants for privacy. Suddenly, it felt less like a backyard and more like a private vacation retreat. The best part? Many of these upgrades were surprisingly affordable, proving you don't need a millionaire's budget to create something extraordinary. Now every morning starts with coffee surrounded by nature, and every evening ends under glowing lights with family and friends. It's become everyone's favorite place in the house, even though it's outside. Sometimes the biggest life upgrade isn't moving to a new home. It's transforming the one you already have. Would you relax here? Tell us what feature you'd add to your dream backyard. And don't forget to follow for more incredible home transformations and outdoor inspiration.